Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Capricorn sa December 31, 2024 at 6:26 a.m. Philippine Time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And of course, please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So, ang reading na to ay maaring mas maka-resonate ang mga Leo rising. Okay? So, let's begin, Leo. So, for you, ang New Moon in Capricorn is happening in your 6th house of your daily routine, your health. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong bagong routine sa bahay, bagong activity na isasama nyo sa inyong pang-araw-araw na gawain. Example, gusto nyong mag-focus sa inyong kalusugan. So, you will do practical steps to make it happen. Pag-exercise, pagpunta sa gym, eating healthy, maaring meron kang daily na iniinom for your health that will help you maintain to be physically fit. Some of you naman, maaring there's a new project or trabaho na gagawin mo na kailangan mong isingit sa araw-araw dahil gusto mong maging disiplinado ka. Na magawa yon. Pwedeng meron kang personal project na gusto mo makita yung resulta, kaya talagang gumagawa ka ng paraan na to stick to your plan. Some of you will also start organizing your space. Maaring meron kang i-organize na room or buong bahay, redecoration, cleaning, spring cleaning, general cleaning. So you really want na maging presentable yung iyong space. Now, the 6th house is also about your service to others. So maaaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga susubukang mga outreach program or yung mga pagdo-donate, charity work that will help you, that will help others. Okay? And then, yung iba, if kayo ay bago sa trabaho nyo, you will attend a lot of trainings kahit na bakasyon na, no? Or piniprepare mo yung sarili mo for trainings or new mindset. Mas gusto mo ngayon maging maayos yung schedule mo. I also see an opportunity for you to start your own business, your own like another source of income. Pwede ring investments for you because the 8th house is about shared finances. So if you are in a relationship, pwedeng kayo ng partner mo ay magbabakas. Ang tawag doon, yung magpa-partner para mag-start ng negosyo or to invest. Sabay kayong mag-invest. The 8th house is also about intimacy, which is about sexual connections. Maaring meron dito na pwedeng sa trabaho, okay, maaring magkaroon ng yung mga natatawa ko kasi ang hirap rin sabihin dahil baka mamaya merong ma-offend, ganyan. But yeah, nangyayari yan eh. It happens. Meron talaga sa workplace na parang, alam mo yun, pagdating sa trabaho, parang kayo magjowa, pero meron kayong kanya-kanyang partner. Yeah, that happens. Oo. So, be careful lang sa mga ganon. Siyempre, alam nyo na yung mga, ang tawag dyan, consequences ng ginagawa nyo. Oo. Just be responsible for your actions. Okay? 8th house is also about mysteries, obsessions. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring you might obsess about a certain idea or a certain activity na hindi ka na magbigay ng attention sa iba. Example, na-obsess ka sa ano, sa pag-aalaga ng halaman. Tapos yung iba mong mga obligasyon, di mo na nagawa kasi nakafocus ka na lang sa paghahalaman. Oo. So, yeah, pay attention to that. Para, kumbaga, mabalance mo yung iyong needs. Oo. You have inner child, healing your inner child, Mother Earth. You're also going to focus on connecting with nature. So, maaring mas maglalabas ka ngayon. Or, you will enjoy outdoors. Part of you na mag-release ng nega energies. Kasi yung iba, no, kapag masama ang loob, ginagawa nila, naglalakad-lakad sila, or nagtatatakbo sila, jogging, ganyan. So, part of your health na rin. Meron ka kasing goal, no? You have dreams here. Meron kang goal na gusto mong ma-achieve in a short period of time. So, kailangan dyan, disiplina kung gusto mo talagang makuha yun. You have the Four of Swords. So, this is healing, taking a rest. So, kung kailangan mong magpahinga. Huwag agad-agad na magdesisyon na umalis sa isang sitwasyon na nang dahil sa emotional ka lang. Pag-isipang maigi kasi I see you leaving a situation. This is a major decision para sa'yo. Yung iba, this is about trabaho or career, change of career, or meron kang drastic na change or biglaang desisyon na gagawin sa trabaho na pwedeng makaapekto sa future mong mga endeavors, no? So, kumbaga, hinay-hinay lang. You have the Ace of Swords here. Merong exciting new beginnings for you to collaborate with others, to work with others. Pwedeng sa trabaho, may creative project ka, or sa business, may opportunity ka, or parang meron ka nakikitang idea kung paano mo mas mapapalawak ang iyong career, trabaho, or yung business mo. It's time to take action, New Moon in Aries. So, kung ano man daw yung mga plans mo, matagal mo nang pinag-iisipan, actionan mo na, because a win-win outcome is forecast. So, either way, kung ano man yung pinagpipilian mo, pareho naman dyan, mananalo ka. At least, still, andun yung success para sa'yo. So, don't worry, huwag ka na mag-alinlangan. Kung talagang buo ang loob mo, take that one step because ayan na yung maglalapit sa'yo sa resulta na gusto mo. So, syempre, you really have to take action and do something about it. Okay? Whatever you are manifesting. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much and see you again.